Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is honoring the contributions of migrants. International Migrants Day is observed every year on 18th December to highlight the challenges faced by migrants and celebrate their contributions to societies globally. The 2024 theme is honoring the contributions of migrants and respecting their rights, focusing on migrants' positive impact and advocating for their safety and rights. Now let's talk about history. Established by the UN General Assembly in 2000, the day commemorates the adoption of the International Convention on the Protection of the Rights of All Migrant Workers and Members of Their Families in 1990. Migrants have played a crucial role in shaping human history, influencing culture, social, and economic landscapes worldwide. Now it's time to talk about the significance. Migration is a natural and transformative process shaped by aspirations for better opportunities or displacement caused by natural disasters and conflicts. The day draws attention to the rising number of migrant deaths, with over 8,500 deaths recorded in 2023, the highest ever. Promotes human rights, inclusivity, and unity within the international community to ensure safe and equitable migration. Now it's time for the practice question. When was the International Migrants Day established by the UN General Assembly? 1990, 2000, 1960 or 2020? Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.